क्लब्बं मास्मक्तमप्राथ नैतत्तत्त्वयि उपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदयगद्मल्लं तप्ता उत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Give up this cowardice habit. You get up and prepare for your fight. This is Kshatriya's business. You should not go behind. Arjuna Vacha. Arjuna replied, Kathang bhishmam aham sankhe draunam cha madhusudana isubhi pratijasami pujarha barisudana. Now Krishna was encouraging to fight. Arjuna was also very intelligently replied. He addressed Krishna as Madhusudana, Parisudana. Madhusudana means the killer of Madhu, demon, or the killer of enemy. His purpose is that I have to kill Bhishma Dev, who is my so kind grandfather, and I have to kill Dronacharya, who is my teacher from whom I have learned this military art. So, you have killed the demons and your enemy, and why you are inducing me to kill my guru and my grandfather? This is his argument. Kathang bhishmam aham sankhe dronam cha madhusudana isubhi pratijasami. They, my grandfather, my teacher, may chastise me, but how I can pierce with arrows their body? So, this is the problem. Duty. Arjuna was forgetting duty, and Krishna was inducing him. Never mind. According to Kshatriya rules and regulation, even the opposite party is your own son, you should not hesitate to kill him. This is Kshatriya's business. If the opposite party is your own son, but when there is fight, then must be decided, one party must be killed. This is Kshatriya's business.